Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can click on apps and you will enter to PowerPoint. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem too. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.